Hello everyone, welcome back to the Green Thumbs Guide. Today I am going to show you one of the most unique and eye-catching plants you can grow in your balcony or indoors, the curly beauty, Albuca Spiralis, also known as the Frizzle Sizzle plant. If you ever seen those spirals spring-like leaves, you already know why this plant is so special. But many people struggle with one thing: how to make it full, bushy and healthy. So in today's video, I'll share complete care tips plus the secret to making your Albuca look lush and stunning. But yes, if you're staying in a hot and humid region, the chances of getting a bushy Albuca is little less. But still, let's start. About the plant, Albuca spiralis is a bulb plant native to South Africa. Its most fascinating feature is its naturally curling leaves that look like green corkscrews. During late winter to spring, it also produces beautiful yellow flowers with a mild vanilla fragrance. But yes, my plants never bloom yet. I've heard this is blooming like this. I'm waiting for that, but I don't know in Mumbai whether it will bloom or not. But anyway, here's something very important. This is a seasonal grower. It grows actively in cooler months and goes dormant in hot summer. In Mumbai cool weather, it grows very well in the month of December in the winter. So if your plant disappears in summer, don't panic. It's completely normal. Its bulbs will be dormant that time. So about light requirement, this is very important for bushy growth. Albuca spiralis loves bright light. In fact, the more sunlight it gets, the tighter and curlier the leaves become. So best placement is bright sunny balcony, south or west facing window. If you keep it in low light, leaves become straight. Plants become weak and sparse. So if you want a bushy curly plant, sunlight is non-negotiable. For most of the plant will actually go wrong in type of watering. This is a bulb plant, so overwatering can easily rot it. During growing season, that is winter and spring, water only when soil is completely dry. During dormancy, stop watering almost completely. Too much water is always cause root rot, less growth and no bushiness. So these all are no for overwatering. So stop overwatering your plant. Now about soil mix. For a bushy plant, root must be healthy. Use a well-draining soil mix, garden soil, sand or perlite, coco peat. You can also add a little compost. The key is water should never stay in the pot. Good drainage is equal to stronger root, more leaves. And yes, for smaller plant, always use a smaller pot, and for bigger plants, always use bigger pots. If you put any smaller plant in a bigger pot, then automatically it will get more water and root will rot and it will not grow properly. Okay, so now the next part, that is how to make Albuca spiralis bushy. Now comes to the most important part, how to make your Albuca spiralis bushy and full. Now start with the multiple bulbs. One single bulb will only give a few leaves. So for bushy look, plant multiple bulbs in one pot. This is the easiest trick. More bulbs equal to more curls, fuller plant. But yes, this is a little bit expensive plant, so just make your single bulb very healthy, then eventually over the time it will grow, produce more bulbs and it will become bushy. Also, do not overwater. Too much water reduces growth. The plant focuses on survival instead of producing more leaves. So slight stress actually encourages better growth. Now about give maximum sunlight. This is the secret behind those tight curls and dense growth. More sun is equal to more leaves. compact growth and bushy appearance. Now about feeding, you can use a mild liquid fertilizer once in a 15-20 days during this growing season, but don't overfeed. Too much fertilizer is always weak leaves and less curling. Please remember, this is a bulbous plant, so plant will store their energy in the bulb. So you need to make this bulb stronger. Then you need to allow proper dormancy. This is something many people don't understand. When summer comes, the plant will dry up. Do not try to keep this green by watering more. Instead, let it rest. Keep soil dry. After dormancy, it comes back stronger and bushier. You can check the bulb. If your bulb is hard enough, then it is perfect. But if your bulbs got mushy and soft, then you need to think that there is a problem in your bulb and your plant might die. Now about repot and divide bulbs. After one season, you will notice baby bulbs forming. You can keep them together for bushy growth or divide and create new plants. Keep them together, that will give you a fuller pot. Now about flowering tips, I have heard this from my friends. That is, if your plant is healthy, it will flower in late winter. For flowering, it will give bright sunlight. Follow proper watering cycle and let it go dormant properly. Now about common mistakes. This is the most important plant in any plant's life, so always avoid these simple mistakes. Number 1, keep this in low light. As I told you earlier, this plant loves bright sunlight, so don't keep this plant in low light area. Second is, do not overwater it. It hates water for a long time. Please allow dormancy. If you don't allow dormancy, then your plant will not grow, will not propagate properly. And the last mistake is expecting a year-round growth. This plant will not grow throughout the year. It has a particular time when it grows, when it looks beautiful. So that's everything you need to know to grow a healthy and bushy Albuca spiralis. If you follow these simple tips, your plant will reward you with beautiful curls and even flowers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Green Thumbs Guide. I'll see you in the next video. Happy gardening.